In front of me is ASUS ZenFone 10, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. First of all, just select one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, click on it, and access it in the background. In order to do that, using Tricky's navigation, click on this square button. Now tap on the icon of your app at the top and select Open as window. Then you can follow all of those instructions. When you're ready, as you can see, you'll be able to use your window however you wish to. In order to move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. You can use it to overlay the other apps by opening the other one and using both. If you wish to turn it into a bubble, click on Home button. Then access it by tapping on the bubble. You can even resize it by holding one of its corners and dragging it. When you find the perfect size, let go. If you wish to use it in full screen view instead, click on the top left corner. To close it though, select top right one. You can also close it by turning it into a bubble. You can do that thanks to Home button as previously, or by selecting the square icon at the top right corner, the square icon with an arrow. Now hold your bubble and drag it to X section at the bottom. Then let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!